The worldwide population boom in the 21st century and rapid industrialization and urbanization, this will only increase the demand for water and have serious consequences on the environment. India, the second most populous country, is facing a major water crisis leading to agricultural and political problems. Therefore, we have designed a water management device that monitors and analyzes the water supply for appropriate allocation as per demands.
Our device, WaterNet, is a non-invasive flow meter device which is clamped on the outer circumference of a pipe. It calculates and monitors the amount of water flowing through using an algorithm processing the sound of water using the MSP432 microcontroller and is sent to the cloud using IoT.
On the cloud, this data is analyzed and important parameters like which device is consuming what amount of water, average weekly water consumption, percentage of total water allocated for a particular device in a month, etc. will be sent to the client on his mobile application by the cloud. So the Texas Instruments components that a product uses is the MSP432 401R as a main MCU, CC3120 Wi-Fi module. This condenser mic module is the sole non-DI component.
These are our new set of components: BeagleBone Black Wireless for IoT, condenser mic, battery and its adapter.
This is a prototype in a 3D printed box.
This 3D printed box has an opening for the mic which measures the sound of the flowing water.
Now we'll start assembling our components in this 3D model. First we will place this condenser mic into this hole so that after clamping you can collect the sound of water through the pipe. Then attaching the BeagleBone with the portable battery, we will place it inside it. And then attach the upper deck to fix the wiring, and then finally place the top cover on the model to enclose it with the vents for circulation of air for cooling purpose. Now this is way more compact than before and can be easily placed using the straps. It can be easily placed on a pipe and clamped.
So first we record the sound of water through the mic, then we send this data for processing in the LabVIEW. As you can see, we obtained sound waveforms. Now these values are used to obtain our flow rate and subsequent Fourier transform. Now using CCS we can see the force of water. Now the water flow is showing low. Now when it is medium, the water flow shows medium, and now the flow is very high and it shows very high. Now we reduce the flow using tap. Now flow is medium and then it shows low.
Now instead of directly connecting it to the laptop, it will be displayed on the website where the analyzed data can be viewed distantly using IoT.
Of our app.
Most of the flow meters available in the market are of invasive type, which requires cutting of the section of the pipe to which the flow meter will be embedded. The high cost of such invasive flow meter along with the additional cost restrict the usage of such devices to wide scale distribution. Through WaterNet, we have cancelled all those additional expenses. The non-invasive aspect in the compact structure of our product makes it more simpler to install. We are utilizing the sound of the flowing water for extracting the frequency of the component to determine the flow rate. Also, the usage of the IoT and machine learning algorithm will further enhance the accuracy level of the flow prediction, making our product highly user-friendly.
So talking about this product, first of all, the innovative aspect of this product is that it is one of the non-invasive method and using this non-invasive method, the product is being implemented. So this becomes a heart of this particular product. Then considering the feasibility aspect and the usefulness of this product. So feasibility is that can be used by a layman itself, since it is installed outside the periphery of, let's say, any pipeline or any product, any vessel where the liquid is flowing. Product is also useful in industrial purpose also. So overall the size of the product is also lesser as compared to the currently available products used to measure the liquid flow. And once this product is successfully implemented, this can be scaled for any other fluid flow measurement also.